Hello everyone and welcome to another storytime video. Today I wanted to talk about a incident that happened when I was a share chat intern where I almost ruined a very big event, and that was of Akshay Kumar. If you don't know him, he's a pretty famous celebrity in India. So that happened while I was a intern at share chat. But I'm gonna do this story while I play chess because I don't know what to do while actually doing some storytelling. So let's start. Okay, so here's how it goes. I was a new intern. It's only been half a month or like a month. So I was doing small tasks and trying to understand code base at this point, and it was going all right, really. So what happened is I was also given a task where so in share chat there's an explore section. In the app, it is much more exaggerated with more stuff, but basically we can have a banner here. So what I had done is add a banner. It was a very trivial thing to do. Just add some configuration in the backend. It's as simple as that, right? So that's why I had done that. Now, there was an event going on or to be held where Akshay Kumar was going to come. And so he's a pretty famous celebrity, like a lot of followers. So the event was like somewhere, so like in Clubhouse, we have voice rooms. In Share Chat, we have those as well. So he was gonna come in one of those and then talk about stuff. So it was a pretty big event, and we had a banner ready for that because so that whenever people click the explore section, then people can click on the banner and go to that chat room immediately. Okay, now it is called chat room, but it was mostly like a clubhouse where one person is speaking and all that. So what was this for? Oh, this was, oh my God, this was very good. This was very good. Okay, I got wrecked. Ooh, okay. So yeah, back to the story. Now, so this banner I was assigned to add because they figured I had already added a banner before. I can do that, right? I can do that. I can add a banner. So yeah, I was given a task, but there was one different thing. And the different thing here was that this banner wasn't supposed to be active the time I deploy it. It is supposed to be active a few minutes, or it was like 10 to 15 minutes before the event has to start, right? So what I did is what any new programmer would do, and I added uh, some, I hard coded the time because it was a one time thing, right? So I hard coded that I mean, it was hard coded, I say, but it was more like in a configuration file, constants file. So it wasn't that hard coded. Now in that file, I put that what is the start time of this particular banner, and then what is the end time. So that was a trivial thing, and I tested it. I tested the backend responses, and everything was working fine. So I was like, yeah, this seems correct. And then my PR got submitted, and then I deployed it. Now I deployed it, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be great. This was so easy, and all that, all the beginner programmer stuff. And then is when something happened. So it was supposed to start 10 to 15 minutes before, right? And then what happened? Let me tell you. So the banner did not activate. It just did not. So I was like, wait, what? Why does it not activate? So I was like, maybe it is cached. No, I was trying to think like what might be the reason. So I thought maybe it is cached. Let's try to wait a minute. Maybe I had no idea what to do. So I said maybe it is cached, and nothing happened. I tried. We tried many things. Now at this point, I had messed up big time, really, right? So I didn't know what to do. So after some time of thinking, I figured out the mistake. The mistake was that I had specified time in IST. Okay, so I had specified time in IST, but and from what I had heard was that the servers are also in India, right? And that was indeed the case. But the time zone set in the code was UTC. And that is why the time that I had mentioned was completely wrong. And that is why it was not coming up. So once we figured that out, I actually don't properly remember who was the one who figured it out. Was it my TL, team lead, or was it me? I think it was our TL. So he figured that out, or I figured that out. And then, yeah, it was time to fix the mistake. Now, updating that code was not the problem. Oh, I dropped this. He can just take it. No, he cannot. So yeah, I updated that, but now I had to deploy it. And deploying in that particular thing, right? So deploying in that particular service would take 10 to 15 minutes, and the event was about to start in like few minutes. So yeah, and it took its 10 to 15 minutes. What I could have done, right? There was no, there was nothing I could have done. But luckily, our Akshay Kumar, our celebrity, joined late, and it worked out kind of in a perfect timing. So the banner was actually pretty well timed for the audience. And our product manager was like, yeah, man, thank you for that. It was really great. And he appreciated me a lot. Now, that is how he did not complain about my mistake, but instead very congratulated me for fixing it, which was pretty nice thing, really. You know, usually you in some companies you can get blamed on, right? But ShareChat's culture was very good. So that was a very chill product manager. He said that he will give me a party, but unfortunately he left after a few months, or like just some time, and so I never got my party. Sucks for that, but whatever. So yeah, I think that is pretty much all. Now, the lesson I learned, okay, the lesson I learned from that is that you don't trust times. Okay, you always want to deal with either Linux timestamp, the Unix timestamp, or you want to deal with UTC. Actually, you should even avoid UTC. It is not good. Okay, it's just not good. Wait, can I do that? That would be. Oh no, I cannot do that. So yeah, that is my experience on almost messing up a very huge event. So yeah, that was it. Uh, oh, oh, this is dangerous. This is extremely dangerous. But yeah, I have protection here. So yeah, I guess that's the story. I'm gonna try to, uh, what? That is the story, really. I'm gonna try to just finish this chess match and then we'll say bye. So, anything else? So yeah, my team's reaction. That was not. There was nothing like you messed up big time. We're not gonna give you PP or something like that. They were really nice. I mean, it was a nice situation. It was a good learning experience that you should always test. I mean, I tested. Okay, I tested, but you should extra test uh, any and every thing. What is that related to time? So yeah, time can be really messy. Okay, this guy, he made a slight comeback, but I don't think I can lose here. I really don't think. If I lose, it would be really awkward. Let's try to win this. You know one thing I can do? Guy. Okay. Yeah, I cannot move. I have to use the queen here. That is the only option. I mean, even if we trade, I can just bring this up and win. Now, this is just helping me increase my ad revenue here. Let's see if I will win, right? Are competitive programmers actually smart? Can I win a chess game? To know, keep watching the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, that was one lame joke. Why he keeps targeting me? I need to do something where he cannot target me. He cannot target me here. But can he? He can go there. I'll just. Oh, it is still that. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. What are you doing? He's also running out of time. Uh, if he trades, he's done. I'm actually gonna go for the trade because I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I'm doing extremely good. Checkmate, dude. Checkmate. So yeah, I didn't blunder like I blended a very big event here. So yeah, that was it. That was the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. This garbage guy does not get a rematch. I'm kidding. He's good. GG.